tell you, I'm so excited for this new apartment. Like, the adventures that are about to commence. Ooh.
Luna, how do we feel about the move?
Goodbye. We're moving out.
To rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And try to top bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your peak.
Hello, my beautiful people. What's poppin'? What's good? It's your girl, Mami Tiff, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, today is move-in day, but do not be fooled. I literally just finished recording my empty apartment tour. I literally just changed my clothes and put my hair in a bun because, listen, we're gonna be moving. We're gonna be in action. Anyways, I already started to like move some stuff up, and my family isn't here yet, but I just want to go ahead and get like a head start. I'm gonna be able to move into this apartment because I'm moving within the same building. I'm able to like move for the weekend, so I can kind of take my time, but I just want to go ahead and get things moving along, right? Y'all, when I tell you I'm so excited for this new apartment, like the adventures that are about to commence. Ooh. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and start off with getting a cart and bringing the bathroom stuff up. I just packed up my entire bathroom, so I'm gonna bring all that stuff up, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started, and stay tuned to see my family when they get here. But before we get into the video, if this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, make sure to subscribe because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on this channel, so why wouldn't you? And you know, join the fam. Officially day 2. Had to do a quick check-in here with y'all. Let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on in the apartment. Some stuff is moved in, some stuff still isn't yet. What I will say is, for this moving vlog, there probably won't be much organizing. You'll just see more of me like unloading and putting things in its place, but there is some furniture set up, so yeah.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. After as you baby, open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. After as you baby, open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.
Right now, this is the room. This is what the kitchen is looking like. The island that I ordered, the maintenance man built here. So that's updated with that. This shelf has got to get fixed though because it got put in wrong. The sofa that I bought for my friend is here. There's Luna and my dad. And then the TV's up. And then here is what the bathroom is looking like. As you can see, I took a shower already in here. I still have some more to obviously unload. It's looking crazy, but we getting there. And then we still need to unload some more into the closet. Also, could we talk about this immediately now? Like, this is part of the moving process, but it's getting ghetto. It's getting ghetto. Luna, how do we feel about the move? We're liking it so far. Look at how you right on top of you. No personal space. None.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know.
So it's actually been like 2 weeks since I have moved in. Is it 2 weeks? It's almost 2 weeks. But essentially that was the end of the moving vlog. I know it was short, but honestly, y'all, I really just like unloaded and like put things in the rooms that they needed to put. I haven't like organized or anything yet. But that being said, make sure to subscribe because, you know, I'm gonna be taking y'all through the rest of my moving journey, aka setting up my kitchen, setting up my living room, bedroom, bathroom. I'm gonna show you all the ins and the outs of how things come together. First episode is actually going to be an aesthetic kitchen makeover, so I'll go ahead and preview it for you now. Y'all, I've been trying to get my kitchen together for the past couple of days. Hold on. You know it's good when they got you licking your fingers. For the utensils and the silverware, I got these two like organizers. Not sure about this, but we just gonna keep it moving along. Ladies, gentlemen, in the non-binary, I'm here to tell you that we are ready for reveal. So yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, there is just so much more in store for this moving series. So I hope you stay around. But yeah, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.